Hello and welcome to How to Helen. Just a small announcement, I now work at BMW of Manhattan. And because of this, I will not be doing car repairs anymore because I feel that it may be a conflict of interest at my company. BMW is not stopping from doing car DIYs, but it is more of a personal choice to avoid any issues with my company. Anyway, just letting the viewers know why I will not be at any car repair videos in the future. Unless it's a BMW. Thank you for all the support and thank you for watching.
Two hours later.
Baby, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Get up. Get up. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Okay. Okay, I get you. Let's go. Say goodbye to the cars. Bye.
I miss you. And your kidneys.